Hello, thank you for entering with Prestige Worldwide Camping. Right here, this is our Honda generator that we have on some of our models, such as our custom teardrop trailer and some other trailers. This is just a little video on how to start the generator, how to turn it off, and some troubleshooting options. First step to do to start this generator is to turn on the fuel switch on the top cap. Secondly, you want to turn on the choke right here. The choke is for whenever it is cold or it hasn't been started in a while. Flip the choke so that it is easier to start. Third step is turn on the master power switch all the way. Fourth step, get up and take a pull. It should start up. Once it's started, turn off the choke. It'll turn on and run as normal. To turn it off, simply turn off the power and turn off the fuel. On this side right here, there's a couple modes. So there's an eco switch. Turn off the eco switch if it is struggling with the power output. However, turn on an eco mode and it'll be much quieter and much more enjoyable for your camping trip. Take the extension cord that we provide, plug it into one of these outlets. Once this green light is showing output ready, plug it in, plug the other end into the trailer, and you should have power for whatever you need. Since our generators are expensive, we include a roll clock for your security and our security for our generator security. So walk up the generator to the tire, to a tree, or wherever you see fit. If you're having any issues with starting the generator, keep pulling. It might start in the second or third pull if it's cold. Any issues past that, feel free to message us and we'll help you through any issues. However, a very common issue is the spark plug. Within this panel right here, you pull it and it will open to the spark plug access. Simply take this cover off, you'll see the spark plug. Use this wrench out of the yellow bag, which you'll find in the toolbox. Undo the spark plug, clean it with a wire brush so that it is not black or dirty or any way, and that should start the generator much easier. Any other issues past that, feel free to reach out to us and we'll help you through anything. Thank you.